is an Extreme Rules match scheduled for one fall. In this contest, there are no countouts, no disqualifications, and falls count anywhere. Introducing first, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, weighing 250 pounds, the Rated R Superstar, Edge.
The Rated R Superstar and his sinister sex pot, Lita. Edge is going extreme on WrestleMania.
Making his way to the ring, from Long Island, New York, Mick Foley.
Edge blamed referee Mick Foley for losing the WWE Championship. The question remains is, can the father of four, Mick Foley, once again dig deep inside himself and find the evil son of a gun that left an ear in Germany, left burning flesh in Japan, left buckets of blood on 5 continents, and God knows how many years of his life at Hell in a Cell in Pittsburgh?
Well, I don't know if Mick can find that dark place where the hardcore legend lives, but he certainly doesn't look too jolly tonight.
This one is as elementary as it gets. Edge blames Mick Foley for losing the WWE Championship to John Cena on Monday Night Raw back in February.
Yeah, Mick was the ref in that match, and afterward, Edge attacked Mick and left him lying in the ring.
The next week, the Rated R Superstar challenged Foley to this match tonight.
Not just any match, JR. A hardcore match. Anything goes. Edge must be pretty desperate to prove his point, because this is Mick Foley's kind of match.
Bam! Oh, and Mick Foley is no stranger to pain. I don't think he likes pain, but once again, always the difference maker, Lita interfering in this match.
Foley with the cactus clothesline. Oh, that's vintage Mick Foley.
Mick Foley digging deep in his hardcore bag of tricks. Edge is in for a long night tonight.
What's he gonna find? Man, he's still down after that move. I almost wonder if his bell got seriously wrong there.
Suplex. Oh my, he's got a board up.
Oh man, steel chair being used as a weapon that can cut you, break your bones. Simply put, permanent damage. Oh, that
Mick Foley has a long history of absorbing massive amounts of damage. His knees particularly. The spear connects.
Get ready to see more damage done with that chair.
And bashes him with the chair.
Man, I think something snapped inside that brain. No sane person can do this to another human. Oh, gosh.
Oh, the smack in the face with a steel ladder.
That was ladder coming into play again. Well, there's no sportsmanlike conduct going on. It looks like he's setting the ladder up in the corner. Oh, man, there's so many sharp edges on a ladder.
Oh, Lord Almighty. What a wreck we got out here. Foley's in trouble. Real trouble. Come on, Mick. Get back in the hunt here. I understand Edge is a consummate showman, but he may want to worry more about defending himself.
Edge may have it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have witnessed Mick Foley in some of the most brutal matches one can imagine. He was thrown off the Hell in a Cell in Pittsburgh. He was thrown 16 feet through the cell to the ring.
There's no doubt he's going to need an ice pack in the locker room.
And now Lita is saturating that table with lighter fluid. Oh, my God. Here we go. Can you hear the anticipation growing here at WrestleMania, King?
I don't know if it's anticipation or disbelief. Watch it, Mick. Oh, no. Look out.
My God. Foley's flesh may be seared. Spear through the table. Listen to this place explode. Listen to this place go crazy.
He's going for the pin. 2. Gets 3.
Oh, my God. Do you smell that, JR?
How could you not smell it?
Here is your winner, Edge.
The sickening smell of burning flesh has engulfed the ringside area.
I don't know if these guys will ever be the same. Look at Foley. Look at Edge. All the hair burned off of Foley's arm.
Well, whether you like it or not, Edge remains unbeaten here at WrestleMania. But at what price?
Well, I don't think it gets any more extreme than what we have just witnessed.